Welcome to the new year, but things really haven't changed. If anything, residents have seen, we've seen the numbers here in Nassau County, throughout New York State and throughout the nation, continue to go up. We've teamed up with South Nassau for a couple of great initiatives. One of them was one we kicked off right before the holidays in November for a mobile testing site, where we were able to test thousands of residents for this pandemic. Well, after talking to them, the town board and I had additional conversations with the team down there in Mount Sinai. And today we are happy to announce that utilizing CARES funding, we're giving Mount Sinai a grant of almost $700,000, which is going to allow for the purchase of a mobile testing unit with an eye towards vaccinating. You know, testing has always been the key to stopping this pandemic. Testing is what is needed. By having this mobile unit, Mount Sinai, which is already doing an extraordinary job of testing, is now going to be able to go out into communities and target different areas 6 days a week. When the federal government approves additional vaccinations and gets these supplies to New York State, we can utilize this unit to get to these areas. This pandemic has not hit every area equally. That is just, frankly, the truth. By having the ability to have this unit, in addition to other testing sites, we'll be able to target every community here in the town of Hempstead.
Like the supervisor mentioned, this mobile unit is going to travel throughout the 1,200 miles of roadway here in the town of Hempstead. First, providing testing, which is essential to keeping everyone healthy. And whether it's a community down on the South Shore, to the west, to the east, anywhere in the town of Hempstead, this unit will be able to leave Mount Sinai South Nassau and target areas that are in need for testing. And when the time comes, and we hope it's sooner rather than later, this unit will then be turned into a vaccination unit.
My district, Councilman District Number 1, is the hardest hit district in this town. We have approximately 12,000 of my residents that live here who have tested. We have lost so many this year from the disease itself. I really don't know how many. I just know that every day we're burying more than 20 people. And that's great. And these are some people that I know, my neighbors and so forth. So I'm grateful for this, and I already told my councilman here that the first place they're going to start this is going to be in Councilman at District Number 1.
Once again, I'm proud to join with Supervisor Clavin. Under his leadership, we're once again partnering with our friends at Mount Sinai South Nassau. We've successfully rolled out essential workers testing, residents testing, and first responders testing. This is another additional step to bring testing, and hopefully, with the rollout of the vaccine, it's had its problems. There hasn't been enough, but when we do get enough of the vaccine, we will be able to bring the vaccine to our residents. So once again, thank you, Mount Sinai. Thank you, Don, under your leadership, and we're going to get through this together.
The town of Hempstead was giving a lot of responsibility with the CARES money. We took our time. We went very slowly. We spoke amongst ourselves. Don Clavin and Senior Councilman and Councilwoman Dorothy Goosby are responsible why we still have money today to go forward with vaccines and with mobile to take it to the community. We have, and I know Nassau County and other municipalities wanted to tell us what to do with the money, and we said no. We took on the responsibility.
And that's why we're so thrilled to partner with the town of Hempstead with this van. This will allow us to go out of the hospital and into the actual hard-hit communities and provide testing and hopefully vaccination. And as we continue to mask and socially distance, that will bring the end to the pandemic. And then Mount Sinai South Nassau can go back being the wonderful tertiary community hospital to take care of everybody, not only with COVID problems, but to provide your cancer screening, to provide all the things that we're famous for and that we want to be able to go back to doing without restricting anything. So this is a great step. We're thrilled at Mount Sinai South Nassau on behalf of Mr. Murphy, our president and CEO, to partner with the town, and thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to help our community.
And this town board are committed to our residents for their safety, for their needs, and we will continue to do programs for your benefit, for your health, and for your safety. Again, thank you, Mount Sinai. Thank Dr. Glatt. Thank you, Mr. Murphy, and the entire team down there. That have just been amazing to work with and frankly save lives.